Once you've selected the right heating and cooling equipment for your home, you want to make sure that you have an expert team installing your system. For your equipment to work at an optimal level, your installation must be done correctly. At Reliance, our professional and licensed installation teams provide excellent and reliable service to get your new system up and running. Our installers arrive with all the parts and equipment required to get the job done efficiently. You can rest easy knowing that our team members are knowledgeable professionals who are committed to a successful installation while always being courteous and respectful of your home. During and following your installation, our team will check in with you to confirm that you are completely satisfied and answer any remaining questions you may have. Once the installation is complete, our install team will tidy up the work area, conduct appropriate safety tests, and walk you through the operation of your new equipment and thermostat. To help ensure everything goes smoothly, before the installation you should clear out the area around your furnace or air conditioner to make room for the install team and new equipment. Also, to ensure a safe work area, please be sure to keep any pets and small children away from the install area. Thank you for choosing Reliance, and we look forward to a successful installation. So for all of your heating and cooling needs, call on Reliance.